I'd like to present something to you that I hope you might find not only interesting, but novel, and it might entice you to think about the potential of IT. I think IT has got a checkered history in the last 15 years in the NHS, but we'd like to present something not only as a concept, but that works, and we'd like to show you some results. And we've developed some consultation software to look at chronic disease management. I'm going to present the work in COPD, but similar work's also going on to prepare similar software for asthma and diabetes. Why did we choose to do and look at COPD? If you're familiar with public health, you would realise that COPD is a major issue for the UK. Probably 3 million people suffering from the condition, a major consumer of health resources, approaching £1 billion a year, but actually for the people who suffer from it, a major, horrible condition, especially in advanced cages.
The quick vaccines are due to commence immediately. Please make your way to your chosen work streams right away. Thank you.
I might be Glaswegian, but I don't think I can compete with that. So, COPD, major issue for the health service, major issue for patients. And of course, the thing about COPD, if you're familiar in the respiratory world, and I'm a respiratory physician by training, is we have effective treatments, quite dramatically effective treatments. Something as simple as oxygen, which can prolong life, but also very effective drugs and other interventions like rehabilitation, which can transform outcomes. The question then is, if you've got this together, how do you deliver it? And this has exercised the NHS, it's exercised the Department of Health, and earlier this year, in the summer, a clinical strategy was launched, but unfortunately launched the very day the Murdochs were in Parliament, just like today. So I'm very relieved to see you here. And so perhaps a little bit lost in the noise. The question is, how do you implement guidelines? And so this concept of a guided consultation is an offering, we hope, that might allow guidelines to be implemented. What have we done? Well, we've taken the idea of using IT, an electronic case sheet, putting into that then a consultation that creates the patient record. But as you do that, it starts to take people through not only a record, but as the consultation proceeds, you actually get prompted to think of the diagnosis and so on, right through into management. And we'd like to show you how that works.